Most people overlook apartments like this in Medellin because on paper, it's in an older building and most buyers start to think that they should buy something newer. But walking into this one completely challenges that idea. All of the info for this property is down below in the description. Let's head up to the 6th floor and check it out. And as soon as you walk in, you immediately see the difference. You're not walking into tight corners. You're walking into open space, and that matters, especially if you're someone who loves to host. The living and dining areas are fully integrated, creating one continuous open space that flows naturally towards the balcony. The balcony itself stretches across the front of the apartment, offering open views over Medellin. Imagine yourself here in the mornings enjoying a nice cup of coffee and having a look over the entire city and its greenery. This balcony has more than enough room out here for outdoor seating, barbecue setup, and hosting dinners or gatherings comfortably. The kitchen was fully upgraded recently, including all the cabinetry being soft close, giving this kitchen a full modern feel throughout. The rest of the appliances are positioned cleanly. You have a gas stove top on one side with plenty of countertop space for prepping meals. On the other side, you have your refrigerator, your oven, and your microwave, keeping this kitchen functional without breaking the flow. One detail that really stands out is the integrated garbage disposal with a switch hidden out of sight. A small touch, but something you rarely see done this cleanly here. Then there's a slight separation, just a couple steps down. It feels like you're walking into your private area. This separated area here is flexible depending on your needs. Whether that's a home office, a gym, a kids area, or even an additional lounge. The large window on one side of the room allows for a refreshing cross breeze and natural light. And then this is where you start to see who this apartment is actually for. The first bedroom here set up for friends and family. The room comfortably set up with a bed and a workspace, making them ideal for family, guests, remote work setups, and even long-term stays. Then you have the second bedroom, similar in size to the first one, currently set up as a lounge or an office, showing you how easily it can adapt. The two guest bedrooms share a full bathroom, completely upgraded along with the rest of the apartment, keeping up with the consistency of this place. But the biggest difference shows up in the master. This is where the apartment really leans into comfort. The master bedroom, easily accommodating a king-size bed and a large window bringing in natural light, and maintaining the same open views as the main living area does. One entire wall has been converted into additional closet space, maximizing storage without taking away from the room itself. You also have a dedicated walk-in closet with generous storage. And on the other side, the master bathroom. That includes a double vanity, something you don't see too often here in Medellin, along with a rainfall shower and a built-in bench. This kind of apartment is for someone who values space and how the apartment actually feels when you live in it day to day. Then this apartment is the one for you. But if you're someone who's looking for newer construction, then this option might not be your first one. Because even though this apartment in a traditional building may not stand out on paper, but as soon as you walk inside, you completely understand and everything completely changes for you. All of the info for this property is down below in the description. And when you're ready to purchase in the next 30 days and you have a budget of $150,000 or above, and you want to use our proven system, then go ahead and click on our buyer's form. The link to that form is in the description. Click the link, fill out the form, and someone on the team will reach out to you as soon as possible, and we'll see you in Medellin.